Good morning, guys. I know I look a mess, but good morning. Let me just close the door so you don't hear all the noise outside and you hear myself properly. But yeah, good morning. I'm just getting the stuff ready for today. We're going to have a picnic at the beach, which sounds really good, but we're only going in the afternoon. It's like 10 in the morning right now. I woke up at 9ish, just went to sort out like the dog stuff just before I started the vlog. Just went to sort out like I just went to sort out like the dog's food and clean the kitchen and outside, you know, because I sleep there, and, you know, dogs and cleaning up all the mess and that. Now the kids are downstairs. They are watching TV. They made me wake up so early. Tana, my cousin Tana, has a little girl. She made me wake up at 9 a.m. when I work tomorrow and I want to like sleep the more than I can, I guess. But yeah, my auntie on the other day, the day that I had when my cousin came, I think. Yeah. No, the day of the party. In the morning, I went to my auntie's house, actually. And she gave me, like, some bikini tops. This was really nice. And she also gave me this little thing. It's like a dress for the beach. I'm going to take this since we're going. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take my dress. And I am also going to take my new bikini set that I bought. Yeah, and that's gonna be it. So I will see you when I'm downstairs packing for the stuff. So yeah, bye. Okay, so I just put on Instagram which one of these I should wear, like a poll, and you guys are gonna decide today what I'm gonna wear. If it's the blue one or the yellow one. I really want the yellow one to win because I really like this piece and I've been looking forward to trying wearing this. It looks amazing on my body and I just want to wear it out. This one also looks really good, but I don't know. Not yet. I don't want to wear it just yet. I want to wear this one first. But I don't know. You guys are deciding, so I'm just going to leave this an hour and then I'm going to go and prep the stuff for today. So yeah, I will be back with which one I'm going to wear. Okay, so I'm still in my PJs, which is fine. I mean, this is my vlog day. I'm not getting changed just yet. Only later. But, yeah. I got this. Oh, it came in the mail. So I remember I mentioned that I'm working with a company called Oriflame. It's like Avon, where you, like, sell stuff from, like, the catalog. And, like, you might get stuff like, you get, like, discount off to buy stuff from their products, which by the way, I'm not just gonna work with it. I'm not gonna say like it's amazing or anything because some of you might not even believe me, but like their stuff is actually really good, and that's probably why I work with the company. I've shown you their creams before. Like they have amazing creams that smell so nice, and me and my mom are actually enjoying watching, like not watching but getting their stuff. And I just got this little beach bag. Since it's summer, they sending us like prizes. This is the summer beach bag. I think it right here. I think it right there. I'm gonna like open it. I was so excited to get this, and I did. Oh, they're selling these. That it comes with a mat to put outside. I'll open that in a minute. But it comes. This is the first prize that you get if you sell like a lot of things, and then you have one which is like a mini bag to put like sun creams or something, or even you can use it for your makeup. It smells really weird inside, but like it's nice. I have to admit, it's nice. It looks so nice. This is the bag, really big. I'm gonna use it now since we're going to the beach, which is a perfect time to get this bag. All the clothes are gonna go there. My mom got this. She said she got this for free as well, but yeah, from the store. And I'm gonna put all the food here. So all the food goes in here. I don't know why I'm showing you everything, but like it might as well do. Then I have this little mat that I really want to see what it looks like when I open it. So let's open it. This is basically like unwrapping stuff. Gift. So like Christmas again, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Are you enjoying this show?
Yes.
Hi, Dylan. Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna take a shower and get myself ready. And I went to check on my social media, my Instagram. By the way, everything will be linked down below if you want to check. But yeah, I was checking my Instagram and turns out this one won, which I'm happy. But my cousin wants me to wear that one. And now, I don't know. But I'm gonna go for this one because I like this outfit better than this one. Outfit? I mean, bikini. So yeah.
Warning! If you might
Mia doesn't like this. Mia likes the ball. Her favorite ball is this one. It's like a volleyball. Ugh.
Esses papéis assim, tipo, limpava com contaminados, não podem ir de papel.
Mia, wait.
Depois onde vem as caixas, o cartão, é tudo no preto.
No?
Tudo isso ocupa espaço.
You're too hot. Come on. Mia, come on. Mia.
Can I play with it?
Mia, come on.
Mia, go to Rania. Dylan, let me pass. It's me, let's go! Yeah!
Rodrigo!
Here we go.
Depois eu fico a pintar.
It's not even windy. Kevin.
Hello. We're at the beach, boys and girls. Now I'm going straight into the water, so bye.
Bye. Take your shoes off then. Oh, you can't even take your shoes off. Hi, Dylan. Okay, bye. Don't ignore me then.
Okay, so.
Hi, Rodrigo.
Bye. Hey.
Hi, guys. No? Okay, bye.
You're making another video?
Yeah, it's my vlog. Cause you know your girl's a vlogger. She vlogs.
Did you make?
I have like 200 or something.
What the?
Yeah, I make videos like nearly every day. Okay, that's kind of a no, that's true. That's not
You
true.
have more than me. I just have like.
You have.
I hope that's not alive.
No,
Oh. What are you doing?
a video of them. You have no. You have 8 videos, Richard. Okay, bye.
Embarrassing.
I'm so tired. I don't want to drop this in my head, but we're home after sleeping. It's like 7 now, so we left. Yeah, 7. It's really tiring now. I'm so tired, but yeah, we're gonna have dinner. Setting up the tables. Kevin is watching Chicken Girls the movie because he got interested on the show, so he's watching it. And yeah, so yeah, I just thought I should tell you, and I'm gonna go. Bye. What are you doing?
I'm just here waiting for Dylan to tell me what to do for my chores.
What chores? You're in my house. I'm the one with the chores, not you.
Dishes.
I already put the dishes. Look.
Stop.
Oh my god, that's really dirty up here. I don't know how we're gonna clean that, but
In the
yeah.
Table.
Hey, yeah.
Are you filming this?
I'm filming you for sure.
Hey,
Okay.
look at
Turn that thingy off.
As you wish.
The designer, tell Rania to stop filming videos. She's filming videos right now.
But I'm a vlogger. Like, this is my passion.
Shoulder up.
Like, what do you mean? I'm joking. Okay, bye.
Yeah, I thought so.
Oh no, I'm not gonna turn it off now. No, I ain't turning it off. Look at that pool. That pool is way much nicer than ours. Why is he like telling tales? I don't know, like. Okay, Mia. Mia.
Wie alle doen het.
Mia. She's going inside. Mia. She's looking at me.
Oké,
Oh my
Rania.
God.
Rania, what should I do?
Dylan.
Não queres o quê?
Está a dizer, não, é para ela, Rodrigo e Dylan.
Mas
Mas
share.
tá
For me.
Ok.
E para Eva também, não?
Leave Rania a small plate.
Small plate.
Só para pequeno.
E ela está a procurar também desse tipo.
Life and help. Small plate.
Oh yeah.
Nothing.
Tua filha, diz-me
It's
aquela.
a big hole. Big.
Okay, so everyone's gone, and I am just gonna end the vlog. And before I end the vlog, I'm just gonna say everyone's like gone. It's been a long, really tiring day, 2 days, I guess. Yeah, week as well. But yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh, right now it's 10:55. I'm waiting until it's 11 so we can watch A Girl Named Joe and new episode, because Kevin's really interested in brat shows now, and you know I watch brat shows, so like yeah, that was very funny to see that he's very interested in them. So he's excited to watch the new episode that we're gonna watch. By the way, the show's really good, so like yeah, shout out to the cast and like everyone on the crew and stuff, because they're actually amazing. But yeah, what else? Yeah, I hope you like this. Like, subscribe. I'm all dirty here, right? Like, subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do in the future. And yeah, I will see you. Bye.
I wear short shorts.